Hey, good morning everybody. This is Johnny Sunshine coming to you half asleep from Sarasota, Florida. Saturday morning, the 21st of October, about 9:30. I've got a water heater to put in this morning. I had kind of a slow week last week for whatever reason. I don't know if it was phone associated, but this house is like 9 minutes from my house, so I'm gonna head over there and put a 50-gallon water heater in for these people. It looks like the house may be for sale. I don't know, the garage looked spotless, but I've had those pictures sent to me before and get there and yeah, that must have been a different picture or a different time. But yeah, let me head over there and get this thing thrown in, and I may head to the gym today, man. May head to the gym just to get out of the rut that I've been in here. I've been in kind of a rut, guys, the last couple of weeks with all of this shit. Just a lot of stuff going on. And you know, my capacity for shit like this is not very high, man. Not very high at all. So let me head that way, guys. All right, guys, I think I'm here. No numbers on this house that I can see. Let's see. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Maybe it looks empty, man. Looks like they just had it painted, and they're probably on their way here now. Maybe that's her. Alright guys, so here's the water heater. This guy showed up promptly at 10 o'clock. I've already had all my shit set up. Definitely needs to be replaced. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna cut this out. We'll see what I'm gonna do there. I gotta get another expansion tank on here. Actually, you know what? I think there's a relief valve. Yeah, there's a relief valve on this check valve. That is not required, that expansion tank. Because of this 125 relief valve, that's not required. The expansion tank is not required. If the pressure gets too high in the house, that will lift. So I'm just cutting all that shit out of there. Redundant. It's redundant, guys. All right, let me get my shit going here. Nice kid, young guy. He's got 4 kids. I don't envy him. Johnny Sunshine, back in action. Back on the water heater trail. Ha! Get down, baby. I saw Mikey Pikes got himself one of these pumps. I like it. He's been paying attention. He's been watching these videos. Don't let him fool you guys. And I've been watching his, because I learned shit from him. learn shit from me, but I don't like the way he does it. He's got his pump fucking hard piped. Hard piped from here to the heater. It's crazy. Get a fucking hose, y'all. Get a hose, man. This is a great pump, guys. I've seen a few other guys online. Okay, so I've got the water turned off. I wanted to make sure I turned off the right, that those backflows were actually for this house. Instead of turning off the neighbor's water, you know what I'm saying? What kind of work do you do?
I'm a programmer.
Oh yeah?
I work from home.
You don't work for Google, do you?
No.
I hate those bastards.
I don't like how they seem to know everything you do.
Well, they have way more power than I thought they had.
Yeah.
Let me tell you, the other night, this was 2.5 weeks ago. Right before I went to bed, I changed the pattern to get into my phones, 2 of them.
Mm-hmm.
My girlfriend interrupted me in the middle of doing that. But I remembered, you know, I got them both, you know, you have to do it once and then do it again to confirm.
Mm-hmm.
I woke up in the morning and couldn't remember what I changed it to.
Uh-huh.
And I got locked out because I tried a couple, you know, 10 times different, you know, what I thought it might have been.
Yeah.
But I got locked out by Google, which meant I had no business phone, I had no personal phone, I have no contacts, I have nothing. I have no YouTube channel. I mean, I just can't get it. They just took my life away from me.
Yeah.
And I have, you know, medical issues. I'm a leukemia survivor. And I need to be in contact with my doctor.
Mm-hmm.
Patient portal, all that stuff's on my phones, and there's just nobody to talk to. It's horrible. It's been a horrible 2 or 3 weeks, man.
Yeah.
Like, I had no idea they had, I thought they were my friends, you know? Keeping all my passwords for me, you know.
Yeah.
Now they bit me,
Yeah.
unfortunately.
Did you ever get it straightened out?
No, I had to buy a new phone. All right, guys, so this is a short video. I totally forgot to tape anything. I was chit-chatting with the in-law, and it was just more fun talking to him than talking to you guys. Anyways, we're all done here. Got a new ball valve, a new pan. Everything's nice and tight. I'm gonna clean this place up a little bit, do some sweeping, get this guy in the truck. One of my shorter videos, guys. You'll like that. My videos are normally an hour long.
Oh, wow.
YouTube tells you to, I think they locked me out because I'm taking up too much space. All right, guys, Johnny Sunshine here. Saturday water heater, all done. I got my sticker on it, a business card. Looking a lot cleaner than what was here. And I'm feeling good about it. All right, we're all done. Sir, thank you. Appreciate you coming and chit-chatting.
Yeah.
Here he is. I told you that, right? That I record?
No, that's cool. That's awesome.
Plus, I want to get your face in case that check bounces. No. I'm kidding.
The check bounce.
That's a little joke. I always joke with people like, hey, I know where you live.
Yeah.
Even though you're kind of a big dude, I might have to bring 2 or 3 guys with me.
You definitely will.
Yeah.
But 2 or 3 guys, I can't do much about that. Just
You're like a
John
guy
Phillips.
with confidence.
John Phillips Plumbing.
Hey guys, it's 12 o'clock. On the nose. 2 hours it took me to put that water heater in. Only because I did a lot more talking than I did working, which is fun. And it's Saturday. I'm in no hurry to do anything. Just enjoying life, you know. Made a nice chunk of change this morning. You know, in 2 hours. Can't complain about it. And I'm gonna go get some juice right now. Some of that fresh squeezed vegetable juice, because I feel like I've been under a lot of stress, and it just eats you up, man. It uses up, my brain doesn't feel right. I need to get on some good food. I don't know, about 10 days from now, I got to go see this nose doctor, the Moe's nose doctor. See why this, make sure they're not going to have to cut my beak off. I'm going to be, if they do take my nose off, I'm just going to act like one of them paranoid people who wear a mask all the time. And be cool with it, you know? But I hope you all pray for me. If you could, if you're watching these videos, man, if you could subscribe. I got knocked way back, man. I went from 4,000 subscribers, 4,100. It took a long time to get there. 2 years. A lot of hard work, a lot of time spent with videos and uploading, downloading. Now I'm back to 29 subscribers. Yeah. Thank you, Google. Thank you. Anyways, this video was cut short. I apologize. But you've seen many of them. You probably appreciate the half-hour video. So have a great weekend. It's Saturday, noontime. I'm gonna go get some real good stuff to drink and clean my body. Maybe I'm gonna go on like a juice cleanse this weekend. Get a bunch of good stuff in me, good food, veggies, no red meat, which I really cut out a long time ago because it just got too expensive. I'm not paying, you know, $15 a pound for New York strip steak. They can let that shit rot for all I care. Anyways, I want to give a shout out to my guy out there in Australia. Johnny Boy reaches far and wide. Guy from Australia commented, he's like, I'm glad to see you again. I was worried. Glad to see you're back to the madness. That's what we do here, buddy. You gotta be half fucking baked to be a plumber anyway, so shout out to you, my friend, in Australia. Good eye, mate. Have a Vegemite sandwich, eh?